Assalamualaikum grade 1, take out your English grammar book and open your page number 1616. Today our topic is noun. Places have names too. We already discussed everything around have names. Okay, places have names too. In the sentences below, the word marked in red are the names of places. So names of places are noun. Number 1. Last week I went to the zoo. Zoo is the place of animals. Our teacher took us the post office to see how letters are sent. So post office is the place. Let us understand. Look at the picture and see what the places are. You can find the names of these places in the list given below. Station, park, shop, hospital. These are places. Look at here. It is park. Write it here. P-A-R-K, park. This is shop. Write it here. S-H-O-P, shop. What is this? It is hospital. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L, hospital. Write it here. Hospital. What is this? It is station. S-T-A-T-I-O-N, station. Now look at next page. Look at page number 17. Choose the correct naming words and put a tick mark on it. Okay, naming words. Children go to play in a park or farm. Yes, they are playing in the park. Now tick mark here, park. Look at the next picture. Patients are treated in a school or hospital. Yes, patients are treated in a hospital. Tick mark here. Look at the next picture. We saw lots of animals at the zoo or field. Here we saw lot of animals in the zoo. Now tick mark here. Look at the next picture. The lion lives in a den or pen. The lions live in a den. Tick mark here. Now look at B part. Read the passage given below. Underline all those words which are names of places. Now we underline the names of places. My friend lives in a village with his mother. Village is a place. So underline it. He goes to the temple every morning to pray. Temple is a place. Non-Muslims worship their God in temple. After that, he goes to school to study. School is a place, so underline it. In the evening, he goes to play with his friend in the park. Park is a place. Sometimes he has to go with his grandmother to the market. Market is a place to buy household things. So underline these places. And turn your page number 18. It is your homework. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.